Across the world, your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Are you ready?
I'm going to shower here. Yes, we can't obiente. Mushamiye, Muamutabo, see house. I'm going to shower here. All we are going to Koni house. I'm going to shower here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
what's wrong, Mickey? What are you talking about? I have proof. Would they let you come out? Let me tell you, now be a new man in our studio. Why you be a champion? They set me up to kill Martin and Samekasa. They say, who need me to call Nekasa? Maybe I want to know what Nekasa. I know what I'm saying. Master, now let me be a Joanna. What am I doing, my I have all this proof. Never cry as soon as I can. I'm not confessing. I'm not talking.
Get ready to rumble.
6 men and 1 woman. It will not be easy. We tired for football. All still we are. In Egypt, 2009, Jordan called me and called Zakoko called me Langabe. Charlie, this task is hard task. How can we get? Man, this place is not our country. Me and Zakoko would go. No. Then my enter some madman. Zakoko Charlie Kone. Then Zakoko we make like we go there. No, Zakoko give him. Then we make salad. Zakoko give him bread and something. Then we go. Charlie will roam. Charlie, that much we.
Negotiations, yeah. You look at what you want, and then the player will also look at both parties who meet at the central point. So this is what both of us that it is good as the center player and farmer coach. Player B or baby R. It is based on recommendations. And Sana, you justify it, then management is so much. Yeah, the command 24. And Sana, it will be done for you. Over here, the training the management are imposing the players on anybody that's based on the recommendation that the club did from the catch. He has the qualities. We saw the quality in him. We saw the leadership style in him, and we know that what he has in him, if it's man boy a team, I'm on the direction I have for the focus and the say achieve. That's why the club agreed to bring him.
100,000 committed supporters in there. 100,000 committed supporters in there. Edwin Mudimba say yeah committed to we'll build the stadium within 18 months. When it did $500. No, one of $100 multiplied by 100,000. Calculate this $100 multiplied by 100,000. They're saying $10 million. I need 100,000 committed supporters to give me $100.
Na miniano mema menana no na yeno mozongo omunkai se ye bibia dise ahabaya ka ho o pa kana guru mi wafa ana guru mi papa ambo no ngi pamcho omuba omuntia miniano mema menana no na yeno mozongo omunkai se ye bibia dise ahabaya ka ho o pa kana guru mi wafa ana guru mi papa ambo no ngi pamcho omuba omuntia mema menana no na yeno mozongo omunkai se ye bibia dise ahabaya ka ho o pa kana guru mi wafa ana guru mi papa ambo no ngi pamcho omuba omuntia
for the thousands in attendance. Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen,
me why you me catch them say match the boy in a minute me can let this Sunday start match league and then a boy a cooperation cup then a boy league and they go 2 goals na bano e to so how supporters no bia go for AK47 me why me kita machine gun ya turu
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America.
All right, Okoman 97.1. And then on the 10th of March 2022. Now, Osha Brenna and Nenu, don't go up on Simami. Now, send your name say, no. Yet, Nasi and I just say, Okoman Global Sports. And it's in here, Okoman Global Sports. And in here, the Jumedian Eba. And some to draw now, fear how your baby doing, come on. You be come on, and then Eddie man and some bar. Samson and Nino, a fish and baba. Right, I better not send out woman and some back whom you know, fee. Now, your bar, your bidding, come on, Cosso, I will fear her. And rather, UEFA Champions League game circle, so now, Osha resource and I say, take a crack. A man from Krata, Simbian Seranko ye. If you don't come on. Samson had to folk and Ghana Premier League. Enyan Kunimtie against West African Football Academy. Now, and then fist some of your barber channel. And then come on your barber do if you know. Osha na yenyina nim se anka naka kra twamui anka coach Otoado anka by now or the squad yaba ama ye dissect no bisect e shemu se niama atesen ana bare ne squad ni ntumi maye e bisa se ede ankura ntina ne Black Stars of Ghana e squad yi maye na ya ho boa towards the game against Nigeria no so no to me enkoye unso hu ni saying say your preparation towards the World Cup qualifying or saying it here. The better say I should preparation ahead of that game. And you acquire FNN, Black Star Management, and the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Ebobo Mwakosia Nigeria. If you didn't come off here. Enti Tamukuchu. Yura Kofi Anton Bafo KB. I'm not executive producer. Yeah, no so Bobo and Semna no Ediagu Krata so Osie Kimun Kengum. Producer extraordinaire. Bon Homo Dane. Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman. Alongside the writer commentator Krobia Sante, DJ Zigibi. Amunya Boama Jumedi Neba. Utia Kwame Amponsah Addi. Obetima Fremi AK. Mamichia Mimi. Yes, Mimi Uatema. Monitor show ni papa Mimi Mamichia. Na Martin say any obapa for Madam Nyamicha mo biem. Minchia mo wie. Entino yanche yankona finso na mananensam yemfambra na neno ensam no doso mananensa tiase entine babu ani nyina no na finso yetumi dia bantina mananensam yareba.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero.
Palacios la da y Caleri se va para el gol Tevez, Calerio Tevez, Tevez no, Caleri, cantalo.
Ancora palla buona.
Gole! And he's won the league with 90 seconds of stoppage time to play. Should have got
right into no young corner face na manansem yen fan tujwa enso no emfa ma dia wonim say ne enu ata the UEFA Champions League no enso no etumi akoso a na say enya senkuma yen fa resource no enso no fan tujwa pore na join live on Facebook na fenso no hujumedie no say ne ekọ ene ne eba enso wo ho no join live on Facebook na say your Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook sanso na YouTube no and say na YouTube no yes YouTube so no your Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter Instagram ni nyina no so no your Okoman Radio 97.1 on so no obetima follow na fenso no jumedie no won so wetima like na yes bibia so no etimi akoso kama enso no etimi amount yebesase enu adade for the UEFA Champions League yes Wednesday night football enso etimi toja as nyasem kuma uko piem awo Etihad Stadium dia na just Manchester City citizens enso no etimi tena fie enso ne Sporting Lisbon from Portugal etimi the point in a game ni corner we and tie ye man for Shining Sanka City enso betuma back to back na say and then home and away no na nkan kunimdi akọ enso the Man City team no nanso 91 kobane sa City atena fie enso ne Sporting CP etime boss 0-0 9 nyahum kasem e sa match ne sansa manfo krata sem eno adana manfo Shining Sanka se kabesegu nanso Manchester City kokwasa sa e boss 0-0 e sa game no na kopie mu so e Madrid crowd ma na say ne no Thiago Yesta Bernabeu no na say Real Madrid team no ene no timete Paris Saint-Germain upon academy and Sam and also no entimi atimu bako apprentice Kylian Mbappe upon first goal the PSG team no na mafo bi nim say ne na kesi the Paris Saint-Germain na so apprentice ni din and so ne Karim Mustafa Benzema e chere say pan football ampane no amafo underrated na che o chere so no top notch striker South Asia e bogos no makuma yensa hat-trick and so to ma ya Madrid team na inkunimdie so to call any man Real Madrid Boboko no na say no after the game no na say ni Papa Django and he just call the Django just me dakra na o destabilize no say Madrid it's another Madrid fans no and he just to call so to me the moment na club ya mo fa video no to so brand after the game no Madrid inkunimdie call the man no na o just say name na Madrid fans no aso eja pa ama so na stadium na chi dey no mu ji omani no mu chire say hey PSG for mu name na so ya mai Mbappe ne Messi mu ne ade na so ne no yetuma shamo edima ejima frimu e Champions League na say nije sem akoso esu tumi ade ma Madrid team no intende no betuma mu say ne na Real Madrid enya nkunibdie no na say fans no so ani ache and after the game no omatuma so ejapa na say omo chante pa na ne no omo bo players na ba so no mo che players in some power ya there we ni players ni ya the Champions League intende Facebook for no be hu aha sigi mo we ni Abraham na say Madrid fans no just say japa kumo omo so ne mo bote aya players na so coach Carlo Ancelotti ya bona ba so say my dear into another video na etwa gunte Facebook follow we say Madrid enya de omudi akura pa the UEFA Champions League ya say character na the poor experience in Madrid the Champions League no into another inkunimdi soro etu ekọ edemo after the game no man of the match no tenie player the money boss ani and so PSG na for Madrid game no mo aya Branta ni dey and so the Karim Mustafa Benzema and another penfo so no etumi pa no say man of the match sa game no san South Branta ni modern ball send etumi kofa ye no ball game I go so no mensa within 17 minutes na just a Branta ni the Benzema on the night no na the modern ball and so etumi osoro it after the game no penfo tena say technical team na tena say echeche ma Branta ni the Benzema no ono so ne so no omatuma yi ni say man of the match and so sa game no ma ono so no anya sem kuma and then some ma and also ɛne free ɛyɛ Real Madrid na afei so PSG game no mu ɛnso ɛba na mofa Mbappe picture ne to na afei so menkyerɛ mo adeɛ ɛno ata tiefo mu tie ne abrante ne de Kylian Mbappe lotin onim sɛ ɛno ada ɔno nso no atumi abɔ goals no mmiɛnsa na mmom no na mmienu ɛyɛ offside ana baako nso no yɛgye ɛde maa no na abrante ne sɛ ane ɔbɔ Madrid na mmom no Madrid no ɔba na ɛne nkyerɛ so hyia ɔmo a ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɔbɛhyɛ ɔmo Mbappe kyerɛ mu a ne ni abere so ɔbɛbɔ Real Madrid nti baabi a ɔbɛhyia ɔmo bia no ɔbɛhyɛ ansa na ɔno abrante ne de ade Mbappe no ɔno nso atumi aba na afei nso abɛgyerɛ mu asi akan ɛnso atumi de ama ɛyɛ Real Madrid team no nti ɛne ne nkra abrante ne de Kylian Mbappe ɛnso atumi de ato dwa yɛn nso yɛde ɛma etiefoɔ ɛwɔ saa game no mu na yɛmfi Madrid ana afei nso no PSG game no mu de yɛnkɔpie mu Manchester City and I feel so Sporting Lisbon game no more na ene no mo share results to jana na say 0-0 na Abrante and the Fernandino all day and a good all day player at Man City Abrante wanyinye ono ya captain at Man City Abrante no ono after the game no and so to me man of the match and so to me Manchester City Abrante wagonzo ngoza and now twa na Abrante ne twapa e was that game ma just Abrante ne and so Fernandino no the mbonsoro etimi osoro nteno da Abrante ne din ensore eye Fernandino ana no so no etimi wini man of the match eye Manchester City ana afen so no eye Sporting CP game no mo na after the game no coach ne din ensore Jose Pep Guardiola enso etimi kasa eye alfa eye City ana afen so no Sporting Lisbon game no o chem se amanfo kasa o man se go ni adede a o chem we go hu se da hu hia sata se ma se num wa we a ede enti na me ba be prem ho na afen so ma se go so no enso no ewo home South Ascentin me 5 goals advantage ehun nya se me Pep Guardiola ma bebe biem na se me ba be she goals do na ne ehun nya ne se ne ye be qualify de akọ enim enti Pep Guardiola chirema mo amukọ efikesim ne de ono mo fa nche no onim se ne be ba ne sa enti ne se victory na ma mo fa nche no Pep Guardiola esan se ne nkunim dia na se qualification ana no owura ne de Pep Guardiola enso no etimi ere ehyehyɛ ere ama eye Man City team no enene sama owura na ede atuja na mofa Pochettino photo no to na owura yi de eye mo wasa by this time so te PSG akache Pochettino eno adan kunim de anko amfa ma na e bisa ne say onye disappointed say PSG afrima na asema kai ni o say eye part of football part of football Madrid PSG fima enye news Madrid age 99 so Madrid big club Europe ban Champions League Madrid soro asim PSG enti papa no ono mind say ne no lose na ba on mind so Messi Neymar ne Mbappe then they went to go Madrid no ori an dey Mauricio Pochettino ono ya manager na so dey ma PSG no o kirem say normal sani ma we nyina no normal say betumi si games mu enti ban sana supporters nya abotre ono mo go back to the drawing board na so no abako work on things say na next season no ni ama so be koso na mi bisasa Abrante no oba betra na next season ato no PSG akati na international sama Mauricio Pochettino and so to me to jana so far your teams are qualified to the quarter final stage no and then teams no makuma ko 9 and so far almost to me qualifier amukwa ko piemu and so no quarter final stage internal bet ni utima ni din so the Chelsea munya moye next week na mbobo internal Bayern Munich so to qualify akopie mo quarter final Liverpool wa qualify ekona ni Real Madrid so qualify and after so no bobu kwa ni dey and so the Manchester City almost so to qualify abodi Okoman ntenye no je say quarter finals ne de ebeye hu pa Bayern Munich Liverpool Man City Real Madrid they show him say next week you know and they Chelsea will qualify now just as let's come Madrid ma qualify any come anima that's a nyama so to so come and so the ma aye UEFA Champions League na player of the week in tenye player of the week you know and you know nomination up abontain player of the week Champions League and no da ukwa ansana meme Branda no player of the week you know nomination ni Abrante ni Robert Lewandowski Bayern otumi bo hat-trick and I know brother Samson na Karim Benzema another obo hat-trick Abrante ni din enso de Skriniar leave and say Inter Milan defender ono so nominated no and I feel so Fernandino ono say Man City captain on see nominated to player of the week you know UEFA Champions League and now going to be in Copa channel and the winner also ebetima ba na afio nso no yetumi de ama etiefo no yemfi Champions League ne nkopie mu ewo Europa League mu ene matches ne bi enso betuma todwa enya senkuma eno da matches ne mi eno todwa ewo Europa League no na FC Porto we second result Porto etina fio Portugal am Olympic Lyon be bon e kaba ko a ono nso no wantimi ate Santos na Real Betis etina fie Frankfurt ebe send by 2-1 and matches ni nie Shannon so about 6:45 Sevilla etina fie our Sanchez Ramos page 1 no so ne pobuko ne dey West Ham ball Sanson and Rangers 8 p.m. no so ne pobuko ne dey and so ade Krobia mo twa na matchro na fie so no etimi akose Real Star Belgrade and so no ebetumi ne Rangers support Sanson and Braga and Monaco airport 8 p.m. Atlanta and so any Leverkusen after a big game no Etoja Estadio de Camp Nou FC Barcelona and so any Galatasaray and also ebetima ball when Europa League and games and also no ebetoja na yenko UEFA Conference League na say Conference League no and me who Arsenal wom me who Tottenham wom na the Conference League no round of 16 no say na matches net here Pobo kwani the other Park Thessalonic and so etina fie no ne Genk ball Samson and Vitesse Eindhoven and so any AS Roma ball Slavian Praha and so any Landslings Bonafide so no Partizan Belgrade and so any Pobo kwani the other final the ball Olympic Marseille etina fie Orange for the drum na fie so no on the Olympic and as Pobo kwani the FC Basel etima for Leicester City and so King Power no and the Pobo kwani the Stade Rennais and so Bonafide so PSG and as PSV Eindhoven and so any Bobo Kwani then Copenhagen about Portna so Bobo Kwani and so at the Bodo Klimt and so any Ezaz Akma about Paul winning matches at UEFA Conference League and also to draw Yansono yet to be at the my telephone Chelsea once and some Chelsea Mutimono say for sale when we say no that chairman room to me or no a new patriotic chairman no our Santere or two just better Chelsea na and then England for and then somebody about Bontin say no omo be Chelsea ekwan o me fa so ara na club no na Brazil say no ona bia ma na Abramovich enso anyone no omo be Chelsea ekwan o me fa so na fe so no omo ara na club no Chelsea board no and omo special license tie nie ya say ma Chelsea board no special license na fe so no omo hwe ekwan o me fa so no ma ara ne aya Chelsea team no and also ne sama ba na we no license no my babe kan e dey amount we say permissions we 4.41 42 43 na dey that but my kan 41 em fama or say under this license subject to the conditions below the club may pay 1 allowances and pensions of all employees of the club including players and coaching staff employed by the club 2 or see fees and official dividends or any other allowances to directors of the club payable under okay Krabia Ojana Mazumini Yena Yahu under predate the date of this license and are due in the period of this license shall be okay hey I'm on for actually okay near there and no Chelsea for no my friend Musiwa mo club on the 2 na ton ye chirema ni no ye mama license but board na the be run club no they say Chelsea I am a ball I know I drink at the amateur Chelsea intene no more bonfire mum be a match Chelsea say mbonya ni papa no so abe so Chelsea team no mo na afin so no warane Chelsea club no na bi bia so I come until Roman Abramovich o hwe photo ya eda pa Krobia fa Abramovich photo no to na amanfo mu papa na nim kakra na o ma fe no o hwe Abramovich enim pa na say I say on mine bisa no on mine bisa no on say that mine say all ton club no Roman Abramovich pa Chelsea ayemo po mumbom pie ma Chelsea Krobia Abramovich photo no monfanto so mumbom pie ma Chelsea na Chelsea ayemo board do minsunum urade Chelsea next week omugina kono entino amananisam my fancy na eja writer emetna sina finso no efisem kakra ono so no emfantudwa na yentumi ento so ho na oba Facebook messages no dodo na pa golden boy GH or more fire AK sanso no papa gina papa bi or say more fire and confirm mo Kwabena Majesty and also more fire and confirm my team in an affair, so no, Obaya, on so say more fire, Obaya, or say more fire, and also in some Nana, I also saw Shannon live, and so I will now feel Obaya and so Shannon live from Tema, dear Mama Basso, Nana Kofi free year, or still watching you live from Mampone Krapim. Keep up the good work. For the sky is your limit. Okoman Global Sports to the world. And also the idea about Zuba, Mama Akwaba.
I was there. You have to be fine. Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 20. I said there is not a righteous man on earth who does what is right and never sin. It's no. What the quotation I say? Okay. I say. What's your Bible more?
Somebody one hour shimu, shimu natural must
See what? Of say, we assassins away. You knew be a one more or yeah, cron.
Oh, yeah, training.
Yeah, training. What you say? Yes. And the Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 20. I don't know. I said there is not a righteous man on earth. What you say? Who does what is right and never sin. It is super non common. So and we say be fine.
Oh,
last week me hone in Subaby and nam. Yes, now in Subay and now. At yes, so name in Subay. You know in Subay. Super and non common and Basamaba and Samaba papa Pandra. Suli yadia or shego pana penalty in the goalkeeper na the channel. Oh, now Suli we penalty Georgino penalty in the boy.
Goalkeeper the channel.
Oh, the channel. Super.
At the keeper and
oh, that. What your chinos are JJ. Oh, super chinos are JJ, Mr. Moye Bruta. What you know sound the same? Oh, super.
Baby, afternoon to me missing for.
Oh, yes. Oh, Masaki Panch, Azuba. Sule penalty.
Oh, the encore not for
but happy birthday, and comma, Jim Fuan Sroma. Jim Fuan Sroma, Radid Yafibako, Eddie Akani feel very little girl.
What are you saying?
Maybe in age, but Osaka, little girl. Yes, it's Jefua. Radima quantity na nyiba ya kolapa. Na ne de wako must be ready enyama nti eno komo eso no but me wo fa the birthday Damascus Gomwa Central ready dia feba ko dia kan film yes any din nyi but gaga nti no ko fa Damascus Gomwa Central nti over enjoy a day don't freeze nti no yasa nti zuba de makwa ba
my 10 minutes na 5
10 years so
about the yenchi ani dia wo birthday etero sumadu writer Eddie Eko Fisemuna and also Eddie Neo Eddie Aba.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Woman for visa vantia so jibedian so information it from near store Okoman radio 97.20 who catch on and so catch na say team nenya transfer like your Facebook comment na share oko YouTuber come up na why am na bibia so netimi akonkanya ehon koma so no enya fedia grandra and Ghana Premier League 19 nia etimi aba na we say na results no 88 out here transfer and Lagos City the ball 1-1 Sasuna King Foisa Efra Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium Mediana Stars Kobone Kanubakwa went to me in Sima the Braka Dream Selfie over the weekend of Tenafia to Southfield or Minasters game on by na Dream Selfie to me by 2-0 or Minasak into me in Sima the Braka Carolina United at the Ashgood Airport Academy Noir 108 me team back Gold Stars 1 Mediama 0 Accra Lions 0 Great Olympic 0 11 Wonders 1 Brekum Charles 1 Bechem United 0 Krobia Kumasi Samtrako 0 House of Folk 2 Wafa 1 to Wayne and Kuma Accra PM the Ghana Premier League over the weekend. Now in Komano and for the Agro say and a table no ACT Kwabia Kumasi Samtrako already kind of 41 points. Bubo Kwatini Adriana Stars our 33. Great Olympics Atosumi and Sa our 32. Bechem 90 Atosu 9 our 31 points. Hey, Betempa Mediama Atosu Ayunum our 29 points. House of Folk Atosu Sia our 29 points. A home commercial and your Fediagro 16th position, 11 Wonders 20 points, Wafa at a 17th position, our 18 points, and Elmina Sharks, what a 18th position, our 12 points, 1-1. A home commercial and your Fediagro Bechem 90, and a Bobo Quantin, at a Krobia Kumasa, Santroco game, no, Ratini Casemengo, a head coach, yes, Super Casemengo, Upon the command carried by Yebisansana, it's over or it's no over. See another fourth position. I say, it's no over until it's over. The Yentia Samorati are a Kasimengo. What do you do there?
It's not over until it's over. We have about how many 15 minutes more to play. And it's 15 matches, how many points? When you match, it's around 45 points. Am I lying? And 45 points. It's too early. It's too early to predict that. It's not over. If you lose 2 matches, how many points? 6 points. So, and you draw one, and the person win, then he has left with only 1 point for you. No one there. It's too early to say if they've gone away with the title. It's too early. Let's wait for some time before. When we play half of it, we can. But now it's too early. The few chances that we had, we couldn't take our chances. That's the cause of it. You know, first half, we should have taken a goal before the end of the first half, but we missed that golden opportunity. In the second half too, a few chances that we created, the goalkeeper was able to save it. So I would say we did our best.
And yes, Kasimengo, 45 pounds. Yes, Osha Papanu, and I wasn't commanded, but I started to just say Dalad Ibrahim, Oba Ghana Premier League current, one of the best goalkeepers. I see a quay on him one extra, but you know, I seen the goalkeeper now he cleans it, but Dalad, so I had here.
He's one of the best goalkeepers in the country at the moment. Apart from our goalkeeper who has kept more clean sheets than everybody, and he's also doing well. I could say he's also doing well. He's not doing bad. He saved them from defeat. You could see, saved some brilliant balls that he's supposed to go. So he's doing good. He's doing well.
And yes, Kasimengo Rapano Yobio, Busia, because Kotokodia, Kamin this a Kroma Betfiadana head coach, Arma Krobia Kumasa, Santraco, Dr. Prosper Togo. Papa no Koma carried by any team no. Osha see him like he's games here born to draw but he is going to know how to structure the boys.
Yeah, I think it's all about managing the training program, making sure that they have more rest. Even if we train for a shorter period, the training should be a smart training. I mean, all that we need to be able to get them ready, we should be able to get it in that training program. So, I mean, as Ghanaian players, we have to talk to them to make sure that when we give them time to rest, they rest. Sometimes it's about the player too. He needs to have time to rest. And once he's able to do that, I think that the physical aspect of the fatigue, he will be able to overcome it. And mentally, he will be ready for the game.
And yes, Dr. Prosper Togum, head coach, Arma Krobia Kumasia Santra Kandra Wafa. After the game, our branch obtained Michael Che, one a player, Asia Academy West Africa Football Academy. Our branch and Kumar Kadiaba say yes. Oh, it's a great pleasure to play with Sulali Muntari.
He's a great player. Everyone wants to play like he does. We watched him on several occasions. Playing toe-to-toe with him is a great opportunity. Just that we gave him that respect, and we didn't fear in the long run to give him the opportunity to do whatever he wants. We stuck to our plan and we played, and everyone saw that we did our possible best. Just that it wasn't enough.
And yes, Michael Che, player at my West Africa Football Academy. Come on. And now some of you have been there. Obeka Tripa. I'm game against Rafa and I say, Mama and I'm say what for team your mother last into the team. Some of you say, and yeah, is how and yeah, easy.
Today's game and yeah, easy as you can see. And Rafa, a team anytime they are on the bar. In terms of possession, they want to be ahead of you. But better players, you know, any technical team, you know, as you say, we managed to win this game. It wasn't easy. Their strategy to delay, and I think it's good for them because playing with House of Folk said a different approach, you know. So we delay no frustrating team, you know. I think it's good for them.
Some of you and come on and on our side to da as a Sule no or catch as a Sule. Man, we'll go hammy. Can't give him an yes, Sule. Sule team no abano. Abwa has baba.
Kakra Megan say, and the minister can say, and then also go. Yeah, because pushing the ball now, or you really know the passes in BPR. Even myself, I wasn't expecting to beat me. I lasted so the most of the time. Be a change is better. You need to talk about 80 minutes. You need out to about 79 minutes, right? Me say Sule started training for 1 month, right? Now we'll be out in say what if you are if you say or rusty, but there are things in Sule are too aggressive and discipline. Discipline, you said, you say on Obisha or be all the respect on the field of play. the responsibilities be the man and that's all the catches will be. No make sure say why there. Oh yeah, so scoring today's goal. I'm happy for him and I believe say enye we nko obesanso akoso amana etimi the standard no so betimi akoha magos no ayemo aboa hasoso.
And Samuel Bodu head coach Ermaso can come on Sule I was a go and Kasebia Nyakra Sule son koma what did you
pleased, but then the most important thing is House of Folk now. I came in, I got the chance to play for House of Folk. It's a big team here. The guys are amazing, coach, the staff also. So I'm very pleased to be here, and also the fans are making the things right. And yeah, I'm home, so it's just joy to be. Yeah, the feeling was there already. Things that we do at training, the guys are fantastic. So for me, it's not strange that we won against Kotoko. We played that game. We played very good, and today we won. We got 3 points, so it's important. This is our we want to win so that we climb the table. Yeah, we have to concentrate game by game as we did today. So we now we have to go home and rest and then think about the next game that is ahead of us. So Kotoko is ahead, but we need to look at what we do, not what they do. With all due respect to them, they are having a great season. We want to focus on game by game.
Ede Sule and come on so and my super for last one way or the tuja so we PMA S plus in your mama blaster down your mudi din come on hey baby say Premier League no am have a bowl.
Yeah, we have few players that want to join the league. So yes, I speak with few of them. I think me coming in, this is not the first time. Bralai came in, Atram came in, and certain big names came in. But I'm really glad that I'm putting impact on this league because these kids deserve it a lot. Of course, they are our future. These kids are our future, and we need to give them the right platform and the right training for them so that we can have a long, beautiful Black Stars. I don't know. Time will tell. We'll see.
See, last one, no. And if it's a Black Star, we are going to time will tell. See, I was here when you come out, cry. Super Sen one sound okay. See, I don't know about happy birthday and come out here, Prince La. If we are Adoma, yes, or Canada, Toronto, yes, and they ready their fever could ya call view. Yakubush. Azuba Yakubu show na onyo kese yes enkolani ni aso omo yada insura kweku mame sewa ene nana opon yes junior omni aso omo yada papa nti madam enjoy your day but don't freeze nti eno komo so eno no ewo hwa enye osuba fashion I mean yeah ti okay no person yes chemistry yeah but make on once again happy birthday and come me offer. Yes, Damascus Gumua Central. Rather the Afiba could ya canifio. Yes, yes, Rade. Yes,
Gumua Jama.
Yes, Dabi Gumua ya. No, there anything, you know.
Gumua Fete.
Yes, okay, Fete final. Wafa. See, over. Enjoy a day. And the annual mammy ya bon quine keke tike mame. Nabi Piasano into me and conquer. Super.
Okay.
Me sorry, Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 4. I see generations come. Generations go. The writer commentator here, AK, take you over.
Happy birthday and confirmer Auntie Rosemont. Auntie Rosemont Okataba o ye juma tete kwasi Memorial Hospital. We every nana kofi every year also we say ne Auntie Rosemont Okataba o ye juma tete kwasi Hospital we if you nana kofi free ho also we so happy birthday na nyankopon show nyonyo kese odopa enso anufi nana kofi free ho ana wa we se ne auntie ye made nkomo ofie club ya santi atena se stand so na senior on duty enso atena se ye be share no game no Champions League no Paris Saint-Germain kwa away against Real Madrid winning by 3-1 ye be share sa game na fin so no we are abefie your preparation towards Nigeria game no as a country and as a Black Star no preparation is very very down slow da coach at the squad about Nigeria squad about abonting 1 week ni omo ball away no first na ya ebo home I feel na enu ada Cape Coast ye kwa pitch ahwe say edana kwam na ade nyina preparation no encheda anye ye fifia and if your man na ba be this afie common e ha mama be dwafo akwa ba club ya Sante na afie so no senior on duty abedwafo mama akwa ba
yeah okay
bibia fine
body down ma
okay
bia kama papa and razu nyo makoso yes nyo makoso kama
yeah senior
okay
semete on catch
yesem nyama bintina ya bizi akra but nyame adom ye wa around ye the radio say that so tenkwam na etiefo nso wo ne wotie yen ekebia kama
okay
ye can first 11 hu de na say bibia ye
okay okay message was sending me message Krabia I'm sure same thing for Champions League and other Paris Saint-Germain I'm out of the Champions League with all their squad bringing in Lionel Messi. They have Neymar, they have Mbappe, Di Maria, Paredes, all these kind of players against Real Madrid. After set first leg, we winning 1-0. And also going into the game, and it's a key. First goal, and your first goal advantage over Real Madrid. Madrid ebe show me your film. You trying to UEFA Champions League.
Yeah, okay. You bet you ETF nyina happy birthday pa sunye enko enfama Chelsea Football Club. On the 10th of March 1905, Anna Club on Wamutumi Etoy by Papa your friend Goose Meyers. And in 2012, Onyani baby Ekoya and any nephew, your friend Brian Meyers, take over from 2012. And Sana beat no one so Ebetoya Eba. And I think say baby Bia Papa your friend Goose Meyers, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Say or to me the team my friend with Chelsea it to me or for me team first I know the whole world open the most attractive team we gina and announce only more bopa we are seeing na Chelsea FC Football Club. Happy birthday enko enfama Chelsea wa bra one more celebrating 117 years and as anniversary one more edi since Chelsea by then in 2012 Roman Abramovich the Russian billionaire it to me a bit take over from there. The rest has been history, and Chelsea are one of the best teams ubenya ewo we are seeing so far. So happy birthday pa ananeno eko ede ama Chelsea Football Club. But ene aye dia woda na UK free eke nipa time one no time and ehu enti sadi nyina mo ntumi amfa mba se ene na ye Chelsea birthday no and me Chelsea fiano penny a club na nkasa no the entire team na nkasa no birthday celebration no woman she dampo nye hwe enya de a Chelsea etumi ayebri bia about ene say ye wo ma woda na
cause me
board na nkasa kra ref obi anim
me hu hwe enti na me an celebrate Chelsea me hu ye
team no egu
so no I'm why referee Korea because the owner of the team okay for team no is even weapon out to nchen Korea
yeah say we do better because referee be
so what they say no obi a o se Korea no wey na fimu dia na say wankasa de na abaye
I think
and I say we crashes him nti ama why wow
womo ahawa dwene kakra anka at least womo ye no endra kra na anka ne team no etumi edi womo awoda 117th years and that form enti ye bedo bibia say well okay, yenhwe Endra games are a course in the UEFA Champions League, you know, and so far you the first 4 teams are one way to me. I could do the last 8. One more share one more Shebreze. One more train next week. The 4 teams are one more babe count one more. Then now one more to me I pairing on HS quarterfinals games in so it to me ashishe so. Manchester City from 5-0 lead. One more in the first leg. Ewo in Stade de la Luz ewo Portugal in Drada womo ebe boy ewo Etihad Stadium o share set up Pep Guardiola edico game ni I think so yeah few changes be Emma players ni be rest and so ede young players be so to me ebe bobia and drag game no go bia into me MPM no more and I think say City on any day now just say we to me qualify we and Ndra results no e ade che say one more enya dia wo ba game ni mu se wo ba be ye bribi wo the ball no edi agora and wo nya the ultimate qualification a wo etumi e de akọ but game a na obi bia ni e wo so eni be bia na action ni nyina na e wo no Estadio de Bernabeu na game no e so Real Madrid the 13th time champions no e hosti Paris Saint-Germain the Paris team no awomo eba womo so they are yet to win the Champions League trophy awomo ba but they came in as a strong team and awomo ba due to players awomo were available and in awomo ba no I think say in terms of players any BBBA how Paris Saint-Germain it may shape up in the last 5 years their impact in the UEFA Champions League I think say na one way to me set up tone bia ubia oba be share Paris Saint-Germain uyembe to me ashishi uye pa so when run here how the second leg will fare after the first leg one to me 1-0 win over Real Madrid or Paris and to one more bano now the talking point Neymar da Silva and Lionel Andre Messi oba Bernabeu for the first time and oba ball game where was Spain for the first time ufi since ufi Barcelona ekopie mu Paris Saint-Germain and bra game I think say game way to me she share so and the 90 minutes the first 45 minutes were dominated and proceedings by Parisians want to me the total control of the game set up very well to make sure say that 1-0 now one more take lead the down one more to me they up to already go and one more ADF Paris ebano and fortunately for them and luckily for them one more that go through Abrante friend Kylian Mbappe Latina to me double up the lead edema one and a game which players available to each side na Paris Saint-Germain to me abano abasa benya first go in the first 45 minutes one more sign dominating game a create lots of chances crucial chances one to me a create and one more register a goal out of it before the second half na yemu bia to say at least if say BB enye share na qualification at the end of the 90 minutes Paris Saint-Germain able to me qualify and even one move to me as goes to be account per performance I want in the first half against Real Madrid but in the second half one more to me die FLA say so far one more to me enya the away go the account the ana one more day ban 2 goals lead and I want to cry and one more 45 minutes just 45 minutes to defend now one more to me enya qualification and one more making sure that high pressing game one more embo nemomun one more be allow Real Madrid one more year hunger to get the equalizer and I say one more year hunger to do something extraordinary so one more be having more of the ball now one more so to me a counter one more be defending very low then one more you see the pace of Abrante friend Kylian Mbappe Latin now on also to me enya goes at the amount and I think say in the second half one more into me the idea from Openia friend Mauricio Pochettino any the players in the second half and I don't think say a working to perfection at the moment and into me ambwa though Mbappe any Messi no many few chances bia and kawombe to me a putty ball at the back of the net but one so into me and utilize those chances I want to me creating in the second half. Then came in Abrante Efreno, Karim Mustafa Benzema, Vinicius Junior, and the tactical change, and the changer say Bibia Edema Paris Saint-Germain one more midfield the Abrante Efreno Eduardo Camavinga obey unfit Toni Kroos or starting game then 60% fit and ahead of the game these are players and Brian yetna ha menu nyina yetna ha ebu ball players and it was exact players in so coach etumi changes in the second half and Lucas Vazquez yi Abrante Efreno cover her ade up and attacking efficiency because now cover her oko nenimu no na enshada emboa and wo Abrante Efreno Vazquez udi kan say initial or forward and also your attacker Okonenima obetumi aboa in terms of offensive duties and ono by no yenyina yehu the efficiency going forward or they are up to the Madrid attack. Then in the midfield dominance and not Danilo and the variety in the first half ono so Kamavinga ebe added up to Luka Modric, it was fantastic and dominated the midfield, keeping all the proceedings, transit play and woman united to me adequate. Then what Bigo Ebeyi Marco Asensio and Nimwono was something delicious and Oshe Juma only Nuno Mendes over the left side of a Paris Saint-Germain team. I think that one more Ebwejuma and most of the goals now, one more at least 2 out of the 3 goals were from the left side of a team friend Paris Saint-Germain. Lucas Vasquez and Rodrigo, one more combination over that particular side, it to me Eboa Madrid, womunya 2 goals from there. Then Abranta Yefreno, Hakimi, Ashraf, womunya another goal from that area here, the right hand side of Paris Saint-Germain. And then Ashraf Hakimi was one particular player, or Jai, ewo game ni mukra menhuno. Defensively, he was very poor. Attacking wise, so very efficient going forward. Yehu any other dangerous cross from Abrante Efreno, Ashraf Hakimi. Ni offensive duties, ni nyinano enya dia yehu from Ashraf Hakimi. And in the Honoman, I think say in the last 10 minutes of the game, even coach your friend Mauricio Pochettino, Ejino added Julian Draxler to me a buy. I'm over 3, meaning say Abrantano and Ra on the day went to me and Yejuma. And in the second half, Luka Modric is from Kamavinga a buy. Game nimu Rodrigo and Vasquez say to me a Yejumano. Ama inform Karim Mustafa Benzema. The combination with Abrante friend Vinicius Ewo the 18-yard box of a Paris Saint-Germain, I think that it caused Marquinhos and Kimpembe a lot of problem in the second half, and I don't need to me let it down the defense and the entire Paris Saint-Germain team and the Real Madrid to me that emphatic victory. 3 quick goals from the 61st minute, 78. Eba awo mutumidinya that goes na ninyina Karim Benzema and making sure so be to me utilize all the chances are eba one way in the second half awo to me 4 shot on target in the second half of the 45 minutes from Real Madrid and 3 were at the back of the net. I think they were very, very clinical and potent up front, and then Andrea resulting into their qualification. Experience wise, in terms of coaches, in terms of players, experience, even the likes of Asensio Numunyano, we to me at the Champions League before, and we share the stage now. I think it's a stage now. A song edema a lot of Paris Saint-Germain players, and they were down. Sankombo to me. Making sure the likes of Neymar and Messi, especially a bit to me a BB Ediama Sedia Benzema buy into the party in the second half. But these are players Endra aside Kylian Mbappe are tormenting the defense left, right, center. Ewa Madrid yard box unimunu. Yenge who that efficiency, that clinical, that creativity, that incisive passes from Messi and Neymar. Aside the pass or the man. And they know Kylian Mbappe odinya the first goal. Young and Shade who more of that nature. You say one more very good in terms of final third passes. You in the whole second half, and I don't need to me let it down the Parisians. And they are out again. And Eke from 2013 quarterfinals. They've been there several times. Eba be remove ebe finals, semi-finals, and then round of 16. Now I think say the additional Paris Saint-Germain edi Neymar ebe Mbappe hu anko ye womo di Messi buy womo first Champions League and Messi to me ekoi in the first press conference or and say enei waba team the materials available for that particular team or very sure and very optimistic say enei the Champions League no person win na AS Roma into me ama Barcelona anko Liverpool into me ama Barcelona anko. Then the last time Bayern Munich into me ama Barcelona into me anko nenima eneno ode sa ehon ahoyira on be pim Paris Saint-Germain osusu say materials at Paris Saint-Germain wono omu betumi a lift up the UEFA Champions League, especially this current season. And the modern ball in the Champions League in the group stages or my the Lionel Messi and yenim. But okay, I think say in the last games of boy Eba any the round of 16 2 legs in Paris young and she who Messi ye and rather or let it down all the Parisians, and so far one more San Kofi, and it has been the mark in Paris Saint-Germain to me asset whenever one move to me take lead, then other teams it to me are revenge, and as I want to me attend the results I qualify in favor of Paris Saint-Germain, and then one more say usually one more attire, and I think say Madrid and then one more Paris Saint-Germain if him, and Paris Saint-Germain and then Madrid if him, and Madrid one more NJ and a woman bought video. Yeah, they etos during presentation now. Yeah, I think say any genuine and say Madrid to me Paris Saint-Germain, but no mono materials available in Paris Saint-Germain. And one more just say one more tormenta back how year pa Bernabeu Lionel Andre Messi playing 47 games. And rather than count 47 games, I watched 26 goals at Real Madrid. I'm a 14 good assists at Madrid, now Endra Oba now with Messi and Mbappe and Neymar. Now we to me overcoming and this particular players now. I think say one more a bow and then when J and a woman J not just like say Madrid to me Paris Saint-Germain are qualified. And congratulations to Real Madrid and this team one more a progressive from these stages are and a strong warning to other teams are say Madrid momentum now one more day ban so congratulations to them one Manchester City, Liverpool and a Bayern Munich say one to me a book one ticket to the last 8 and then one so echo in the 2021-22 UEFA Champions League season
okay and here club Asante and I didn't say my tuja ye made come off ye am 7 year me issue of ye a Black Star call up. Any preparation? As of now, another 10th. Game near 25th. 15 days more. Ye call up here. Ye who players they don't quite boy against Nigeria. Nampuno ye wan boy. Ye beye. Ye fre players. Ye who say player we have come my friend remember. Mean to me ma. Na ye fru bia be shema. They did not be shame. As at now and that 10th. Get me a collab. I know Tado, or China, and then check in the do, a baby, and then 10th. You never buy on the 15th, 10 days. Never a place you cry, Team CB release you, or cry, Assem. Injured Bucraco, see, Assem. Union replacement, Assem. Senior, my memory or collab. Black Stars are now. Collab be a my.
Ege. Because you're here at your phone. Ege, Brasa some of the Oka Umusani our canafa. Could you believe say tip off and I say information when I say collapse in the day Utuado I had it out. Now the Akoma management committee for no say one shim now say players tonight the one friend. Now say Ghana so the Fawishim iwe film no and no counting a play winning my collab dini ma bonti. I feel so Nintia didn't so my bonti ya me show me baby Kunyan stress. Place bi wo a wo ye foreigners wo pese wo switch Ghana ebi munye ntumu ye but wo ndin wo list ni nyina so enti wo twen say players no be dat me say yew na wo de woni eden aba abonten because we di candidate ni ba abonten na player nya ntuma wo mi Ghana fo be ye enti sare man na kan wonti na ma di na de MI no but yi ma me hu say yen ankasa no ye ni mresi ye pese ye bibi ye because Argentina player na onye ntumu say oboba ma Ghana no udi ndi nkwehye mre ko oni onye ntumu ma we agusi what twen say aha na he na so onye ntumu ya na say on fa din ni ma abonten ye it means say we serious
yes
we serious because players no enye won kwisa akrofo no kwan na e wo Ghana ha say players akrofo ye so be 3-4 wa still won fro wo mu bia nti accident na keke player na ono onye race obobo ama wo
no player na jatu man say how they call up baba
why collapse inside me na wo
you serious o
kra collapse din the Otuado ayi bibia wie but say because of say na nti
we be say all the players be shembebo
yeah
players meanwhile won ready so babo boy it is on ready jane
me say e bia say player na kwa na oba be yi Ghana fe bia ye woni mu say then you mentiase cause we players ye wo Ghana na because of nipa be 3-4 bi ntinu because of any ntinu won fa lesson ma bonten ana fe so manager committee for no so family player we shim we me play for him because of Sanya man Suntino. I want to be far or Macam or Friday near the Emma Bunting. Because so one for me playing and she would any humba. And you will problem to the sense, Ege who's there? You will take a director. I said, yes, I will take advice. It is said the platoon, and you might pen pan while you're Ghana. Send the platoon, take a director, and I advise and when put your mother and while you're Ghana. Because me just say, she will take a director or near some advisor and can coach ye, this selection we are. One is quite a come along. Now, what show because what coach experience, what Telka, I who players and no year good in your year good. But I don't come out the committee, one when be players, you know. Did the over say one players I want to say what your favorite my one what one ball will be be over tongue will be Mexican. What about Quano? But I think I take a director and I say advice and all one winning players and one wait up ball wait my boy but my boy but this how Ghana. Now, maybe because then dinner you take a director. Now stand for advice I can take advice I can that director and I remember no baby. But because of say now take a director no advice and a government no neighbor. So what I say and Blaster president so and I say question we Kate and so they need to add all bentino says I never say never ya say me for to add government in betuaneka into automatic and government no so the not the ban lutino me fan count no be advisor so the government betua and I come any petu ya by because when the petu nka be just nka kwatina na kwahye ne ya nka we na erema eke ya kwakobobo aka 15 days 15 days ya prepare kura ye park na nka say bobo kura so ya prepare eke be na be buzazi zeno Blaster match say compose the BSC bu na wo keep goes na
say eno na ye de come FIFA and a CAF say be boy young World Cup qualifiers
because for almost 3 years 2 years match be one e go bo but go share for we na nka ye Kumasi and Accra Sports Stadium but say bi akwa Cape Coast ye ko boy ye kwa ye 6 match was we won say so kura ye efe na wale water efe na wale say wo hu no ye won kura wo hu no ye won kura it is a man ye serious say be ye kwa World Cup that be the players ba
serious and gas na ye call up here
that be call up no me say call up no why call up no now
senior call up no one here
me say why call up no
call up ye nya nche dem o Nigeria ye call up what say dem
who say Nigeria ye call up we no or the come won take director no who say won take director no no say advice take advisor
so unim Nigeria players I want free
yeah
unim Ghana de
minim Ghana de
nti call up na mai
Zedra mtwa say mpemfu when players ni nyina
what one family yen one family Ghana phone say these are the players I rekwa akobọ Nigeria game no
enti na wachira na me tira gege won e dia call ni ma ma cheche mu ni dia call ni ade ni ma because one favorite players one players what one ball and I feel one players I be say say eba Ghana na be say say eba Ghana na me here ready ya munya no nko because the players be be o wa na e dia one be say eba Ghana say ebi any qualify for World Cup ameka what ya say nti so say eba Ghana yan qualify for World Cup wa ha won because ebi na ka ebi owo no go we friend we na World Cup but say na wo so say ba na one qualify wa say obi bia nti ebi mo ha players ni bi wo ha obeba wo mre kwa ya qualify for World Cup sana memi huni nen players ni be wo ma awo so say na obeba mre kwa ya qualify for World Cup say qualify for World Cup ufuro bi obeba but yan qualify party abayi say wo nyina be dan wo aba enti wonya wo ne won frɛ won awo ne won fo won ye training na yen ko yanim yen wo say yen players ni yen wo say yen go players ni yen wo say yen defenders ni because wo ko so ba form say go friend na wo because he say now no we are you lead team mobi Jordan because of record don't team mobi
okay
enti players ne bra ni yen
Ochene ba be di ya ba to sa call up no so outside now I didn't see a call up no my but mamema tie fo akonya na onso no one friend famem 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 now also what you mean Afraba na messages okay as a good afternoon staff AK it means that player who can score 2 or 3 goals deserve the player award our football game is falling good luck for Chelsea FC ahead of today's game Richard inside no City Odumase Krobo. Chelsea game no next week. Chelsea game no next week inti na Richard also washer so and Europa League. Was it our league no Oka League one? Okay. When you say Champions League no Oka League dia na say mujina kono and then outstanding game ewo ho. Damascus Gomua Central. Hey, over no. As I start the writer commentator, you be the best. No Sunday dia or the about Enoch Boatin. I say, okay, good afternoon, more fire. And from Mama Samson, a champion, Emmanuel, say good job, more fire. Kweku Sweb, hey, military officer, Mamichano, Mamicha Kweku Sweb, or a soldier in the pant, who you know, every go. Also, share live from Pema Camp, Nidio Diaba, Sansuna, Damascus, Goma Center, hey, and no didn't build in Namusa, as more fire. They are watching live from Gomua Central constituency. And also the messenger or the aba and so and no. A champion Emmanuel or say, we super wati, more fire, right? More fire. Patrick and OJ, they view you seriously. I say, you know, boys, you know, when you trace here, almost show pa. You know, now I tell them say no, you know, never come. The fit Tuesday, no my and then I buy. Aqua. Appear, yeah. I see, listening to you live from a Cropon Police Divisional Headquarters. More fire and confirm as any police vono. Omaja cases no go on. Follow show no. Omu ya Marco Twaso. Divine at about one done. And I said the about Divine. My mincha papa heavy. And it's Divine. We don't catch him. I'm talking Cascawa. Benzi Bay. Oh, I'm cruising kakra and fan town. A year weekend in Boye. Nanka de aba. That's okay. You into fatu to near money. Come that was Divine. I'm talking. Nana Buffon. About say you are doing great. Keep it up from Nana Buffon. Ahongo anodifi. Hey, Ahongo. Kumase. Asante region. Ana hoya ahonjo. The be you the message is about your troy. Ahongo no near there. Divine say ki much love. I say. Benson manembra weekend we yi achina kopim ne juada we yi timeme da ba na the airlines kakra cruise na be fine why tinu ma tonka entino abreno ko na vensi abreno ko entino crowd ya ko final words na yan share
yeah okay I think say me koswana mechia Chelsea for now any year you know kono I think say a very difficult game.
Sure.
Yes, we news say buy and so ya woda aye born which you know. We baby aye corner ye kwa away and Norwich one no relegation threatening team a woman so ye brigo bi wo. Game ni beden young and sheni ya yake. A beden say betumi age 3 points no. The way me sheni o man ya sheni I say shocking draw bi na ye tumi abo. Yes, Chelsea betumi a shocking draw bi na betumi a hardwin ye pa but I trust the players and the team no so betumi a psyche players no especially because the team no so far players no they are all in danger according to their UK government and their banner say the players even the sponsors crowd Chelsea sponsors crowd they are in danger because almost one club no na ejuma and news like this are very very hard news for every Chelsea fanatic to take a very very hard one so yen keepy yen heart
assets and accounts
Abramovich yen to me renew players contract nti automatically made to me aka say Christensen and Antonio Rudiger yes yen to me and renew players contract yen to me so Toby yen so yen to me top player ticketa to me nko Toby nko Chelsea match until say one ato season ticket one mobile best start season na one to and apart from them home game be to me nko ticket nko shebi nti wo season ticket there ubetuma ko ba yen ye ko to say has ni kotoko bo na wako gate akoto eni ho bio nti I think say ke by me wish you well wish all Chelsea bibia be kama ye be even better than Chelsea you know so
a downfall of a man is not the end of his life
you know kakra me kan fa sa Chelsea wa say phone microphone na beto teams ni na we ko na we very careful because send what the same thing but Crystal Palace owners no because ade why na fair to the extent say many we are down for nothing. We but I don't mean say automatically there was a me access and maybe I'm here was say me jai. So what I say because what the IOB obi fi we be no waba. No waba to team no what we near my why England. Ni na be no epusu and I say obi kona kun because I say my Adam automatically I was say me na mentiase. So what I didn't know one about to teams in England when very careful because what if we issue what baba also. This area would there now one kebi man come na man kebi ama e be ma na mu jai na we nsa we so ko say agbe bi si wonu aso ya nka say sorry one so ko sorry fi enso because sorry one so ya what baba also.
Okay intano pem joda no yemma bibia anye boko mo amukura cars no enye kiti mo chere ne ko ndinya ebe ko bi na yakobo but enye fi ene basa ye bia boko na yedina ba fi na bibia kama intino ndinya ebe but na boys no bebo match boys bebo match e dey support sister na just on so pebo sister na nije no ho intin bibia ma enije no ade sister ewo intin na 4 pm pepe o PEC Park o bobo na afin so no what the abuana sister eyo no so atima koso na me hu ni video bi aja but 30 bi ni ade say yabako yami fortuna yabana yaba to aso and so ewa ha executive producer Ora Kofi Anson Bafo head of sports producer and then Nana Kofi Okorajiman also writer commentator and what you be fine. I will share your birthday now fine. And then I don't know crop yes auntie as what the senior on duty Samson Kwame Amponsah the boy and I feel so papa the first DJ Zigibim a boy alongside DJ Vibes Omunya boy ama wonyum ama Vivian so no etimi akọ so entino nyame pe chena be sia me din Kwame Amponsah Addi obetimi afrɛ me AK Maminchia Divine yes foreigner Maminchia foreigner na Maminchia group no nya boys no sparkles and bills money mampa mo Maminchia mu nyina nyame pa chena ebesia na fin so no yato dwumadi no so
this is our own let's cherish our own Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. I need a day what dog can want. I need you can want. A day a rich more.